On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're long. I mean, all the trades are at 4 a.m., 2 a.m. We did give the long trade set up in the Discord, but my God, long Asia, baby, just long Asia. Number one strategy, long Asia, get out your ramen because you're going to put all your money back into the market. What a crazy, crazy day. We're back up. We tapped 100,700. I hate saying all of that. That's a mouthful. 100,700. And now we're back up to 103,700. Will we continue? We're coming into a golden pocket. And we got data, not data, data coming out today. What's going on, chat? Good to see everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. My God, we just pushed, didn't we? I need to be a bit bigger here. I feel like I'm shrinking. I got shrinkage. It's not even cold in Canada. I got shrinkage. What's going on, everybody? Good to see everybody in here. Crypto Billy, what's going on, my man? Frost Dog, Hanseku, Jeffrey Stone Safe. Crypto Billy. Billy go tails tonight, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on X. It still feels weird not saying Twitter, doesn't it? Bitcoin popping about here. You know what? This could be into a pump into a dump. I'm not trying to be the bearer of bad news, okay? I know. We're all bullish. We did take the long. We got core inflation, regular inflation, all inflation. They're going to lie. There's no inflation. Your prices haven't gone up tenfold in the past 5 years. There's no such thing. And your wages have stayed the same. And they wonder why we're trading poo coins. Anyways, we'll take this in today. We'll see how it goes. If society has to trade poo coins, I think there's inflation, right? Put a 1 in the chat if your wages matched inflation and you were able to buy a house and all that kind of stuff. Would you be here trading poop coins? I don't think so. Would you buy something that is scarce like Bitcoin? I don't think so. I think you would be just happy. You go and work, come home, full fridge, nice house, wife, lots of kids, whatever you're into. PlayStation 5, Grand Theft Auto, maybe 4 of them. Who knows? We wouldn't be here trading Fartcoin to the moon. Just a thought. Let me know what you guys think. Curious, what's going on? Crypto Rob Donato Cabrera. What's going on, man? James A. Monetti. What's going on, man? Anika Musgrave. What's coming on, my man? Donato Cabrera. Crypto. Sammy, what's going on, bro? Chris Reitz. Good morning to you. JM, J Violet, AUB, Oscar, Nick. What's going on? Dennis Smith. Golden Cross on the 15. Yeah, we do have some, Money flow crossover on the 15, on the 24 too. Oh man, 24. Oof, trying to push. Bunch of goodies in here. But above VWAP. Oh, but we're coming into golden pocket 618, 615.65, and we have a big order block in here. Okay, so we're into resistance. The resistance, my friends. So I kind of want to short. Is that crazy? It is kind of crazy. But we'll see what the data gives us today, okay? The data or the data, whatever you're into. Anonymous, good morning. Easy C. Zena, what's going on? Diego Voss, good morning to you. Crack for real. Good morning. Hope you are doing fine. Fine. Like wife fine 89. Let's go. Afgus, what's going on? Guten Morgen, Krakenhausen. Love and joy to everyone. God bless you. Thank you for the kind words, man. Just cover it. Quick Smoker, T Fatish, Shreyan, what's going on? Mike Raleigh, Weens. I think Crypto Face is in a like $20 million long trade right now. So that's crazy. That's wild, man. Love that guy. Love that guy. Hondo Poncho, Anoop, Dream Big, Curtis Hill. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Dream Big, Curtis Hill, Chris Reitz, Nat. What's going on? Good morning to you guys. Milan, Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Andrew Ruiz, Sonny. What's going on? Dave, Newbie Crypto, J Violet, Pondering, Dave, Cryptic, Shanklin, my man. All right, rolling over here, coming back. We got 20 minutes until the news data comes out, okay? What's going on, Defiant? I did send you a message, Defiant, so make sure you check your DMs. I was in your DMs this morning, baby. Steve Hickey, what's going on? Gains for Life, Dusty, Unholy Audio, Gary, Mikey, Andrew Cameron, my man. Good to see you. How we all doing? Good morning, gang of otters. Buck, what's going on? Gains for Life, my man. Welsh Jesse, Curtis Hill, Jesse, good luck. Wave Cypher. How's it going, Wave Cypher? You long like Donkey Kong or what? Germo, what's going on? Gains for Life, JR. What's going on, JR? How you been, man? I think JR turned $2 into $1,500 recently. Good job, bro. I like seeing you win. Good job. Anonymous. Alex Belkin. Good morning. Great name, by the way. Copes. Good morning. Papa Coin. Good morning. Let's go. So a little bit of a sweep in here. Still got bullish continuation here. So any dip, like we can see throughout here, has been bought up. Okay. So we have a beautiful 4-hour trigger wave. Oh my God. Is it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Look at that thing. Oh. We love a 4-hour trigger wave in an uptrend, okay? Look at this. Uptrend here. Back test your trigger waves. Oh, baby. Boom. Anyways, I don't need to yell at you in the morning. I know you don't need boom in your ear, even though some of y'all in Europe, you guys are 5 hours plus ahead of my time. So good afternoon to my Europeans and good evening to my Aussies, because I know we got a bunch of Aussies in here. So shout out to my Aussies. I do appreciate you guys all of you being here, man. It's cool beans, man. Always cool beans. Let's see if we can continue up here. No trade for me. I was scalping Sui yesterday. Oh my god, what a dream. I longed here. I shorted here. Yeah, I've been in a little bit of a Sui scalping mode lately. Just tearing it up, but we did give the beautiful long on Bitcoin yesterday. Hit 2 targets. We didn't hit the third, but I do believe we're hitting the third right now on our little trade setup yesterday. So yeah, we came back down though after this. So we hit TP2. So long setup given in advance, TP1, TP2, and then I think it came down. And now we're actually where we said for TP3. So I'm not sure if the stop loss held. We did say stop loss to entry though. So we hit TP2 yesterday. The trade setup given in advance as we were breaking out. Okay, so good job everybody who took that trade. Discord, kicking butt, taking names. The sale starts next week, so you guys are all prepared. Next week, we're going to have our last opportunity to get in at $35. It's going to be the Bitcoin conference. Sell in May. And join the Otter Gang. Don't go away. Sale, okay? Sell in May and stay. How about that? I don't know. What should the slogan be? Sell in May and stay. Be an otter for life, man. The gang is too precious. Good morning from Lexington. Awesome. Welcome, man. Anoop, good morning. Dream big. Good morning. T-Fat and Nick Musgrave. Easy C. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Good morning, Papa Coin. French Toaster, the beautifulest toaster all around, man. Addy, good morning to you. Paul Caruso. DF is a beast. Absolutely, man. Dingbat, I'm a Ali. Base was up 360,000. That's it, man. That's it. Trading is, I do like this dip right now. Sweep of the lows, continuation. Sweep of the lows, continuation here. Possibility. I just don't like the 618 rejection here, guys. No trade. No trade, no trade, no trade. Patience, 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 patience. Trying to be patient anyways. No mitigation of the low yet. 5-minute resetting. We got a little 5-minute Jesus take the wheel, okay? Let's see if we get that trigger wave. That's what we want to trade right here is that trigger wave. I mean, if we're jumping on trend, this is where we would jump, but I'm not doing it. This is not for me. Come up into our order block up here, but I'd like lower. I would like here. Retest to the highs. VWAP coming up. Not into news though, friends. We got 16 minutes till news. So we could get a little bit of a scam wickety. So we need to be prepared for that as well. What's going on, Jay Violet, Hodl Crypto, Grandmaster Ape, my man, Jesse, French Toaster, JR. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you guys in here. F-Bomb, Shamitris, good morning to you. Likes up, boys. It directly correlates to Bitcoin's price. Let's go. Thank you, Sylvan. Matthew, good morning. Matthew, is that like, you got to say it like, when Matthew is spelt like this, you got to say it like you're sneezing at the end. Matthew. Thank you for being here, Matthew. Dingbat, what's going on? Andrew Cameron, what a life. Are we bullish or are we bearish? We're bullish, but we are a little bit, so we're a little bit overextended here. So can we come back to retest the highs? Right, we got that inverse head and shoulders right here that broke out. You know, nice measured move up to the highs again. So getting acceptance above this special zone is going to be critical. We want to see us claim this region here. and then attack the highs, okay? Guys, this high, it's kind of weird. Like this high right here, it came in at 4 a.m. So it's clearly scammy. Like, I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. Let's put it that way. Is that this high coming in at 4 a.m. We either flag out here, perfect balloon dog pattern, okay? Or we push up into this range, we get acceptance, and we continue up to the highs. Then we get some sort of rejection. But if we reject here first, that would be much more healthy for continuation, in my opinion. Coming into news, though, it should be an interesting one. We'll see how price behaves and how the data, continues to surprise us. Okay, we'll see what our options are for rate cuts, because this is obviously going to affect it. Jerome Powell's main job is to maximize employment and lower inflation. Okay, that's as good as I can put it. Melissa, what's going on? What a life. Andrew Cameron, Blinksy, good morning. DL, what's going on? Albino Rhino, good to see you, little fish, my man. How's it going? Shaika. Sell in May and uninstall. You guys are all just going to play Grand Theft Auto. I know you guys are. I will not be playing Grand Theft Auto. I guess I should have longed that, guys. Engulfing. Pushing. Might be an interesting day today. Tuesday, we got a false move Monday. That's for damn sure. False move Monday came down. Okay, can we see the continuation here? What do you think? CPI pump or dump? Let's get rid of this. We'll go CPI then. We'll go inflation data up or down. Because you guys like an up or down, poll. I didn't even mean to say that. You guys like going up and down the poll. Oh, man. It's already starting. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Alex, I'm thinking about ICP. What do you think? I don't have an opinion on ICP. I never done any research. I heard it's, fast. That's the thing about as much information as I have on ICP. I mean, let's face it. We're all buying poop coins, depending on their narratives, and we're hoping that poop coin does well. Most of them don't have any use case. They just look cool. And ICP is one of them. I think ICP can do well. Obviously, with the narrative and rotation into altcoins, probably one of the ones that does all right. Besides that, I don't have a heck of a lot of information on ICP. I'm up 360 cents. Let's go. At least it's not 50 cent. Get rich or die trying. Todor, good morning to you. Are you Hodor's friend? Thank you for being here. Hold the door. Neo Dag, good evening. Good to see you, man. Red Deer, thank you for being here. Otter gang. Hope you have a very productive day today. I plan on getting a haircut today. Get my ears lowered, that's the plan. Haircut. Got a bunch of admin stuff. You gotta love admin stuff. Magneto for me. Gotta love Magneto, man. Right now, we do not have no crypto payment. It's just it's not business friendly, man. It's not for Canadian government and taxes until they have until PayPal or Stripe have a stable coin payment system. I can't accept stable coins on the books. Okay, it's doesn't help my my taxes. Crypto's already scammy looking enough. You should have seen when I opened up my business account. I'm like, they're like, what do you do? I'm like, I press buy and sell successfully. I said it. I said it straight to the banker. I press buy and sell successfully. And they're like, no, seriously. I'm like, well, I trade Bitcoin. I have a community. There's no like under the business type, like there's like a selection at the Royal Bank of Canada of like what type of business it is. There's no like influencer first off, and I wouldn't want that title. Thank God that wasn't there. And there's like finance advisor. I'm like, definitely you can't put me under that, man. I'm like, so I put I'm IT. That is what I'm under. I'm an IT business, guys. Not ICT. Okay, we're not part of the ICT gang. we're IT here, guys. This carpenter right here has an IT business, okay? What a joke. Don't break your thumbs. We'll see. Good morning. Like button hit. Let's go. What's going on, DSV? Liked and out. Good to see you, man. Patrick Swayze, Harp, Jesse. Your country is banned Discord. Community manager. I buy altcoins if I like their logo. Honestly, do you know what has that effect? I would say like Render because it has like a big bright red logo. I think that would be like if there's an alt. Which logo is the best? Let me know which logo on the altcoins are the best. I think Render does a good job. That's a pretty sexy logo. What do you guys think? What is the prettiest token picture? Look at Render. Render is like See, I got this from thumbnails, baby. That's juicy, right? Solana's pretty cool, right? It's got a little bit of woke coloring though. Oh yeah, this is pretty good. Come on. Who doesn't like pink unicorns, baby? These are all from making thumbnails. I like Toncoin. Toncoin looks cool. What else do we got? Cordano. Cordano's kind of lame, isn't it? You can tell I've made thumbnails before, eh? I got all these pictures of coins. Ada, Shiba. I got a Shiba here. Shiba's pretty cool. Bitcoin rolling over now. Coming into news. Ada, Shiva, Solana. Solana's is cool. I like Chainlink. Chainlinks is pretty cool. How about ApeCoin? That's pretty cool looking. You know what's the worst looking one? Here's the worst looking one, guys. DRX. This is the most useful token in all of crypto right here, guys. The most useful. Coming into news, a little bit of a rollover here. Trying to mitigate this low as we speak. Nice push up. View up below. No trade yet. Still waiting here. Into our 618 rejection zone. A little bit overextended, right? So at our 618 here. Yeah, right here is kind of it's an iffy trade, right? We're either looking for some sort of topping pattern in here and down we go, or we're looking for that continuation trade, right? A little bit iffy right now. If this momentum holds, though, that would be very, very nice here to try and continue upwards here. Solana has the best one. TRB. Let's go. TRB. Have you heard of the TRB? I would identify you as a crypto instructor. I mean, I'm a day trader. I would say I'm a day trader. Instructor second. I do a lot of teaching. That's to get better at day trading. That's the only reason why I teach. It's because teaching, my learning curve, I think, has gone exponential, right? Because of the volume that I do every day. It's nothing to brag about. It's just something that, you know, if I want to be an amazing trader, I want to continue to add size. I would love to take a $20 million long like crypto face one day and not poop my pants. But for now, we take $200,000 trades, and that's fine. Work our way up, compound our accounts, risking 1% per trade. That's the way we do it. Bitcoin chopping about here coming into the news. We got 3 minutes till news data comes out, guys. So no trade for now. We'll get our popcorn out and we'll watch some fireworks, okay? I don't know if we're necessarily going to get fireworks, but got to be prepared for whatever, right? Go over to the NASDAQ here, have that refreshed as well. NASDAQ's ramping up quite aggressively here, okay? Whenever something's doing this into news events, I expect dumpage and then continuation. That's kind of where I would put my hat, but great move for the SPY yesterday, up 3.5%. That's incredible for the SPY. And the Dixie. Let's look at the Dixie as well for this, because we always want to watch our Dixie. Okay. The fireworks are coming, and we're prepared, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out, supporting the channel, smashing up those like buttons. God bless every single one of you guys. The world. We got a minute and a half here. Such a fool you are. Yeah, I'm a bit of a fool, man. I like to have fun. You're a candle technician. That's the one. You're testing the channel above too? Okay. I would identify you. Yeah, identify as Lord Otter and King Beaver. Good morning. Good afternoon, Curvis. Good to see you. Mutlu, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Nova. I'm a landscaper, and I went with the consultant title for write-offs. I consult with the flowers and the bees. That's the one. F, your sis? That's not very nice. I think we'll get rid of you. Goodbye. You are the weakest link. Goodbye. So can you write off the flowers or what? Cult leader, that's the one. leader of otters and degenerates. All right. The beatboxer. Yeah, that's the one. G-Man, good morning. Good to see you. Good morning, Chili Hills Burgess. I always struggle with saying your name, Chili Hills. We got 400 people in here. 100 likes. Here's a big push. Here's a big dump. Big push, big dump, big push, big dump. Big push, big dump, big push. All right, here we go. Data's coming in. 0.2, 0.28. Coming in under. That's bullish. Coming in under. That's bullish. Coming in under is bullish. I'm long. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'll get long. We'll see. I'll take a stab long, half a position size here. Oh, maybe it's a bad idea. It might be a bad idea. This is bullish. See if we do want to continue here. No continuation. No continuation. Looks like we could be coming down here. Doesn't know what it wants to do. It is bullish. Army Piper, what's going on, bro? Big SFP this morning. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a nambe-pambe. Looking for a continuation here. All right, TP1 hit. Guys, I bought the top here. My God, did I buy the top. I bought the top like a total degen today. I bought the top, but I made $100. Oh, don't do what I do. Stopped out in profits. Let's go. Don't do what I do. $100. $89, guys. That was a bad example there. Okay? You gotta have fun sometimes, guys. Come on. I did have a stop loss, and I was ready to take the loss if it happened, okay? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. I know you guys don't come on here to see me be a degen. Maybe you do. Maybe you do. Oh, man. Maybe you do come on here to see me be a degen. That's what you're into. We need a duet, RNJ, on the pump song and you beatboxing. Life is more exciting when I'm a degen. Degen Alex. Boom, boom, boom. Degen's okay, no douche canoes. Okay. Brumbelow knows. Life is more exciting. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. We got it out of our system. Do we feel better, everybody? Oh, I don't know if I feel good about that trade. That was a little bit of puckering, man. We got 400 people in here. I would say this is going up. Army Piper, what is going on with this news, man? We got 2.3, so we came in under. 0.2, we came in under. Consensus. Okay. I mean, if inflation's coming down, now let's go to the CME flashbang. I'm warning you guys. Ooh wee! This was this at 97 or 87 yesterday? We're at 91% here of no rate cut. No rate cut. I should have stayed long, everybody. That was absolutely bad. Energy cost drops. We had sub 60 oil. Okay. The data master. I'm just a master debater. Okay, everybody's not in that trade, right? We're all out of that trade. Oh man, Dixie dumping, Nasdaq pumping, guys. This could continue. Bitcoin going to the moon. Crypto face, he's laughing all the way to the bank. He's back up again. Look at this thing ripping. I believe he's in Ethereum. Nice sweep in here. Coming into our golden pocket for sure right now. So be careful of the fake out up at the highs here. Look at VWAP. VWAP just got erected. Oh, man. Gotta love the price action on news days, everybody. We're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Diaz, good morning. Good to see you. Dom. Leave a runner once in a while. I'm not a leave a runner kind of guy unless it's like a full-on trade setup. So what's our entry for the long, Alex? We entered and exited very quickly, my friend. Because we were buying tops like an absolute degen. So we definitely should not have been in that trade. Yeah, but now what? Now we'll let it bake. We don't want to buy the top, okay? I do think this could continue upwards, but I really don't want to buy the top. Mr. Mime, what's going on? CPI said inflation down. Okay, so some pretty good data or data, whatever you call it. But right now, you'd be buying the top, bearish divergence into your 618.65 golden pocket retracement zone, big order block. So you're into our special resistance zone. Remember this, okay? Key level, this is where you would look for the reversal. So because we didn't get like immediate continuation, it gives me cause for concern, okay? That we could come down. Getting everybody a little bit too much on the hype train here. We got lots of liquidity below us. So if we're looking at this thing here, we got the liquidity below us in here. Okay. We have this high to come and take. We have a news event right now. For me, I prefer this. Okay. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. But I prefer this. Buying here, in my opinion, can work every now and then. But zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. When in doubt, structure out. Shout out to Trader Geo. This is the high of this whole push up. Okay? So buying the high can be risky. You want to buy the retracement and hold it. However, Bitcoin looks like it wants to go here. Shout out to you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 455 people in here hanging out. Smacking like buttons would be appreciated. We'll see what we get here. Nice news data. Typically, you get the data, especially when we get news events at 8:30, and then we got an hour till market opens. Okay, you'll get a lot of, you'll get an initial move, and then you'll get very painful sideways price action. Okay, so be prepared for that, just in case. We could be waiting for quite a bit. But it looks I think this is some good news. So we'll see if it does want to continue to push. The problem is that we had only slightly lower CPI, which is due to energy cost lessening. Food actually went up, and we won't see tariff inflation costs until next month at the earliest. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the tariff. Do tariffs cause inflation? That's the question. This guy just used tariffs to make a deal. That's all he did. They're all gonna go back to normal. Crypto Moonboy says faces in a $20 million trade. Moonboys load up. Yeah. They updated to 500x leverage. Who needs 500x leverage? Come on, guys. I think waiting for a proper retracement would be safer for the long. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. You guys using that 500x? I mean, if you manage your risk, if you're risking, if I risk $1,000 per trade, I can use 500x leverage. Right? That's still 1%. But damn, Daniel, who wants that sort of runner? No runner, no runner. What's going on, Darren? How you doing, man? Good to see you. No likes, add likes, guys. Thank you, Rami. Hugo's, good morning. Snitch Goblin, what's going on, man? MexC, I don't like MexC. We do have an affiliate with MexC, but me personally, I had a little bit of a beef with MexC, so you guys do what you want with MexC. It's good fees. I know the fees are good. The fees are good. So if you do want to use MexC, you can use my link down below. I encourage you to be very cautious with MexC. If you're going to use it, make sure you have it on your phone as well so you can exit your trade in case the exchange goes down. That's all I got to say. Casper shouting you out was sick. Jason Casper's a great human, man. Love that guy. He's really paved the way for new people like myself. He's very humble. He's an incredible trader. He's a God-loving man. And I really respect his craft. Gotta love even yesterday on my video I said, ask even Frankie Candles, ask him to do some TA on some of your altcoins and stuff like that. Like everybody does a good job in this space, Just be careful. Like, you want people who are trading. That's all I got to say. If you're a trader and you want to become a trader, make sure that people that you're listening to are living off trading. That's it. Traders helping traders. Okay? That's what we're built on here. Little bit of a rollover here coming down. BTC dump. Yeah. Absolutely. David Brumbelow. Yeah, everybody seems like good people, man. Everybody seems like good people. I just can't stand like scammy people, man. Like, get the heck out of here. Like, There's traders, there's good people, there's salesmen. You get them all here in crypto world. My scalp's itchy today. I don't think I didn't use enough conditioner. Dave Digital, what should I do for an itchy scalp? What food should I eat? Dave Digital knows. No voice. Castor oil. Clay the Great out of right field. Castor oil. D's nuts. Eggs and avocado. Just rub it all over myself, right? Rosemary oil. Everybody here is now. What are they? What are they called? I don't know. A witch. Miller beer. Let's go, Horace Miller. All right, retested the trend line here. Tea tree oil. Yeah, everybody's neuropathic doctors here. Yeah. A week old piss. That's defiant. Yes. That's one. That's the one, man. Eddie, come on, Eddie. Eddie, let's behave ourselves. Eddie, I'm going to put you on a 10-second timeout, man. 10 seconds timeouts are for people I like, okay? Oh, man. Scalper. Yeah, that's it. We're all scalping here. I'm 34 and look like I'm 25. Hydrate that skin, honky. I'm 35 and I look like a hobbit. I can pass for a child. I just got to shave. That's it. NASDAQ cooling off after the news. Bitcoin continuing to ramp up here. This doesn't look too good, though. This does look a little bit. We are getting bear divs up in here at the 618. We're getting bear divs here. No break of structure yet, but we could be looking for a short here, everyone. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 470 people here. Half of them are doctors. Half of them doctors. My goal has always been to make more money than a proctologist, so I want to make more than a butt doctor. That's kind of the deal here. That's what I'm looking to do. I like to put the butt doctors out of work. Or at least if I do meet a butt doctor, I'd be like, I make more money than you, buddy. Don't hurt me. You know? Please don't hurt me. We're going to be friends. Looking for a potential short here. Might take a little stab here on a short. Just looking to come back down and grab some of this in here. I like this. Money coming out. I know we have bullish momentum. No trade yet. I'm considering it. I'm considering the short. What are you guys saying here? Up or down? You guys are all saying up. 56% up. Okay. Don't do it, Alex, says Wave Cipher. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Ooh, good rejection there. Don't do it, he says. This looks nice to me. Take a little stab short here. A little one. Wave Cipher's got me worried now. Why you got me all nervous about my setup, Wave Cipher? Bearish divergence. 618. What are you seeing that I'm not seeing? He's got me all puckered now. I'm questioning my trade. Put a 1 in the chat if we should short. Put a 2 in the chat if no trade. One if we should short, 2 if no trade. I'm in half a position size right now. 1 short, 2 no trade. 1 short, 2 no trade. 2 no trade. Scalp short. Scalp short, no. VWAP just flipped, man. Uh-oh, VWAP flipped on the 24 as well. Wave Cipher might be right here. Wave Cipher might be right. $15 coming out. $15 VWAP crossover. Wave Cipher got me questioning my trade now. I'm blaming Wave Cipher. Is that acceptable? He's a good trader. I'll take the blame, he says. I'm going to close it. I'm closing it. Down $100, $180 with slippage. Now watch, it's going to go. I'm closing it. That's what I get for degenning this morning. So $100 up, 180 down. Okay. $100 up, 180 down. It's going to dump now, and we can blame Wave Cipher again. It'd be cool to see if it plays. You know what? I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Everybody telling me to follow my trade and forget what others say. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, we'd be up right now. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Out here lurking sphere into the light. Trade it. It's all his fault. If you're unsure, you're risking 1%. Cut your trade, man. Cut your trade. Reset. Take another trade. I'd rather lose $100 than $1,000 or $500 all day. All damn day. Okay? I'm out of the trade, by the way. We wait. Like we said, it would be choppy coming in this morning. We'll put a wave cipher line here. This will be the wave cipher short entry. Right here. We'll put a big old wave cipher. Wave cipher, I think you like blue. We'll go with blue. We'll make it teal for you. There's wave cipher short that we exited. Okay, and we can look back at it as Bitcoin goes to 0 today and be like, damn, wave cipher. We should have stayed in that short. Or it pumps to the moon and we go, wave cipher, you're a genius, man. You're a genius, man. I like the bear div up here. 3 drives, basically. Clear bullish momentum. NASDAQ looks like it's ready to pop again to go up, so it's a bit concerning. Dixie rolling over. Bullish as well. Okay. I know Wave Cipher can handle it, though. That's the thing. We got 500 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 172 likes. See if we can get to like 250 today. That would be really cool. I'd appreciate that. If we could get like half the viewers to like the video, that would be awesome. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. Maybe consider subscribing. We're here every day, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Getting wave ciphered. It's always good fun here. Gains for Life played the short. 3 drives still in. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3 here. It's just timing-wise coming into 9 o'clock. Bullish news. NASDAQ pushing. Dixie dumping, which is bullish. Then we got crypto face long. there's another confluence, right? And just uncertainty in the trade for me. So like if I have uncertainty in the trade, I should not be in the trade. All right? The number one thing is you need to be confident when taking trades. If you're not confident, then you're really you shouldn't be trading it, right? And confidence comes from good back testing. Confidence comes from seeing the trade before, seeing the setup before, right? It all takes time. You know what would be really funny is if we flipped long and then we were wrong twice over. That would be funny. Then I'd be upset. 3-minute bear div though, looking to come back to where the bear div started, which would be down here around 103.5, 103.4, sorry. Just flagging out right now. How's Ethereum doing? Yeah, flagging out, continuation. Yeah, most altcoins look the same. Sui's ripping. All looks bullish to me. Yeah, no reason to short there, guys. Thank you for the heads up wave cipher. I don't care if it goes up or down. I just appreciate There's some people who you see who do TA that you have respect for. Wave Cypher is one of them in my book, so he's always looking out. There's some people who come in here and they're like, you should always trust your setup and never listen to anyone. And don't you know it's going up? And I've had those people in here when I'm in a trade and they're like, why did you do that? And then we make money, and it's like, what do you think about going long on ETH? I think we're late to the long party, but we're also it looks strong in general. Right? We have continuation throughout here. We have VWAP posturing to the upside. We have 50-minute money flow coming in. We have flattening out on momentum waves. That looks good. The 30-minute here looks good as well. Okay. Money's making higher lows. VWAP, look at the VWAP here. Curvature to the upside. That looks good. Hourly looking to flatten out and bounce off the 0 line here. Money flow crossover on the hourly. That's nice. The 2-hour, you got your 2-hour camel toe pattern here. Pushing up a little overextended on VWAP, but pushing up nonetheless. Generally looks pretty good here. And then you got that 4-hour trigger wave, which is beautiful. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Right now, stalling out. Looks like it can continue upwards, but one win today, one break-even trade, down $80 today. Okay, so that's how it goes when you trade news sometimes, everybody. Awesome. Thank you for getting 200 likes. Next week, we're going to have a sale on the Discord. $35, locking it in. It's your only chance to do so. So we will have that sale starting Monday to Friday next week. It will be the Bitcoin conference / sell in May and stay promotion. Okay, we're covering Mother's Day, Easter. This is the last time you will ever get $35 at this Discord. Our Discord is absolutely on fire. We have been crushing it. We gave the trade setup yesterday, the long on Bitcoin last night. We did all of our pullback levels. We have multiple traders, 5 traders in here. The best Discord in all of crypto. You don't just read the testimonials. Ask the gang. I mean, you get constant setups, constant live streams, constant money making machines. You get trade setups. You get signals. Okay, look at this. TP1 hit, TP2 hit. Money, 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 money. Okay, funny honey. And you get a community full of like-minded people who are kind and not douche canoes. Okay, everybody saying good morning in the morning. Look at all these absolute legends in here. Always in here kicking ass, taking names. Love this group of people, man. Such a good group. So that sale is going on next week. So be prepared. And if you want to join us now, you can. But thank you, everybody, for being part of the gang. For all the people who are already there. Here's the dump, Wave Cypher. Here's the dump, buddy. My God. Everybody, blame Wave Cypher now. Coming back for all the late longs up at the highs here. Dingbat says, I've been with you guys for about 2 weeks now. Great community. The trades have been unreal, better than any other group I've tried. Everyone is so kind and helpful. God bless you, Dingbat. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, man. That means a lot. Long now, tight stop loss. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, baby. Nice little sweep in here. No follow through though. No follow through is bullish. Go for the continuation here. I'm gonna take a long here. I'm long. I'm long. Yeah. Stop loss below this low here. See if we can continue up. TP1 is going to be near the highs here. Come on, Bitcoin, push it, baby. I'm losing my voice right now. Nice trigger wave in here. See if it does want to continue upwards here. Just sweep of the low, reclaim the range, looking for continuation up here. We'll see if it does happen. Pretty cheap trade as well. Kind of struggling a little bit here. See if it wants to push here. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't be a namby-pamby. Rolling over a little bit here. Damn, Daniel. Good morning, inflation falls. Yeah. Just here, 9:10. So we got our hourly candle update. VWAP coming down to zero line, looking for a bounce, basically. 30-minute flattening out, which is a good sign. We want to see acceptance into the range, right? That's typically what we're looking for, this range up in here. We're banging our head on the point of control right now. I want to see rotation up to 104.8. I guess we can look for that rotation to the highs in here. That would be the idea. If we do push here, but it is doing a little bit of Steve Ruglin. Nas looks okay. SPY, we're gonna open up this morning. The only concern is being up this high right now is that we could flush. A little battle here to hold this momentum line as well. Doji and golfing looking to push. No push though. Volume's kind of lackluster in here. We had that little rollover here for volume, which was like a little sweep. And now we're failing to hold here and push up. Looks like we roll over possibly here now. See if it gets bought up again. A little bit of a battle here. Ethereum retesting highs, AVAX retesting highs. Kind of be the place where you continue to push or not, right? Dixie's looking strong though. That could be a contrarian to our long here. Coming down. Stop loss just below this low in here. Okay. Why is trading so freaking hard, Alex? Not necessarily. It's just right now we're kind of in a zone where it's not ideal to be taking trades. And it's yeah, it's all about decision making and trying to hold with your original idea. And then sometimes the market's there to shake you out, right? So for me, it's trying to go with that original idea, understanding why you take the trade, and then trying to adapt to that idea. It's really taken this long for that bearish divergence that we shorted to play out. That's kind of annoying. Not gonna lie. Pretty annoyed. Pretty annoyed with that one. See how we go here. Still in the trade. One thing you'll get from me is transparency. I always show my trades. I always show my account. I always show whatever you want. You know, I mean, only shows. This is the only fans of trading, baby. But hopefully we can help you guys on your trading journey. 9:15 now. This doesn't look too good. Last candle doesn't look good. But if we traded by one candle, we'd be doomed, right? We'd be doomed. Money flow is still up. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. That's the one. Nice push here. I'm going to take 75% out. Maybe I'll take 50 out. You guys think I'll take 50 out? We'll leave a runner because you guys said so, okay? Right click, copy, paste, 50%, close, okay? Oh, it marketed it? It didn't work properly there. Now we can go stop loss to entry, guys. So we at least realized some money here. We'll leave that to run. Okay, good job. GG's, everybody. Congratulations on your gains. We could have held that wave cipher short a little bit longer in here. We would have made, $100 probably instead of losing 200. Okay. That was a bit emotional. Now we'll see if this thing runs. I could put stop loss underneath the lows here, but I'm not really bothered. We'll see if we do want to continue to push here. Or if we want to come back and knock me out before continuing up. Which is fine. 9:17. Thank you everybody for being here. Hanging out. I do appreciate you guys hanging out here. We always having fun. What's the stop loss? There is no stop loss. Good morning, Noob Gecko. I'm going to move that stop just underneath those lows. Oh, no, it triggered just now. It just triggered. Stop loss hit. Stop loss hit, $50. Nothing special here. And of course, it's going to run now. Let's refresh the room. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. We're coming into market open. Good morning, everybody. Pump, pump, pump. We're hoping for the pump. We're getting the pump and dump. Just shaking people out right now. So we're participating. And eventually sometimes the runner does go. Looking for this to continue upwards here. We could get a little pullback first, though. A little pullback first. We'll see. But Bitcoin trying to go here. Got short, break even, got long, $100. Okay. Probably down $50 right now. That's where I think we're at. 3 trades. 3 trades down $50, which is really good risk management in my opinion. So we're break even for the day. This is small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses, always small losses, always managing risk, trying not to give the market any money, right? At the end of the day, we protect ourselves before we wreck ourselves. Good morning, Giannis. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. RS Miller. Dave Digital, Tex-Mex, Biomex. What's going on, man? FOMO Sapien. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Try ETH, bro. ETH drives me nuts, man. I don't touch. If I'm going to trade something else, it's typically SUI. RS Miller in the house. What's going on? Gang, gang, gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Look at all these people in here constantly showing up every single day. I appreciate you guys. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. We just here. We just here, man. Dave Digital hanging out. Fun fact, I remind everybody, you know I gave Dave Digital his first wrench 3 years ago? That's the one, baby. That's the one, man. Who would have thought? I started a catastrophe or a trend. I don't know what it is, but gotta love Dave, man. Got snake eyes down low here, man. This looks good. This looks like we're pushing. If you're still in that long, I would hold. It still looks juicy, baby. Juicy, juicy. Juicy Lucy. Looking for that rotation of 104. 6. This is a big order block. Don't get it twisted, okay? Big order block. 618. Of course there's going to be turbulence here, okay? It's obvious. It's point of control, order block, you name it. 618. It's all here. So if there's a place where we're going to chop, this is it, man. This is it. So but if there's a place we could pop, this is also it. So snake eyes. We got double dots down here. Double BitBoy green dots down here. Snake eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snake eyes, baby. That's what I call it. Snake eyes. Look at this. This is sexy. It's only on a 3-minute right now. When this is on like a 15 or 24-minute or an hourly, this is bullish. Especially if these are diverging. I can't keep giving you guys my secret sauce, okay? I know Buck loves a good secret sauce. And I know Buck can take a joke like that. Sweet and sour sauce all over my body. Oh, man. Let's see if we can find an example of some snake eyes, okay? Just for Buck. Yeah, right here. There's your snake eye. Bing, bing. Okay, you got anchor trigger. You got your anchor, your trigger. You got snake eyes here. Look at that. Boom, baby. Boom. On a 15-minute. Yummy. I think Buck comes here just to hear me chirp people and talk a lot of smack. I think that's why he comes, literally. Finger licking good, baby. Alexandra G is like, oh my God. Alex is off. Sorry about the comment, fam. Didn't mean to throw you off your game. It's okay, bro. No worries. No harm, no foul, man. I appreciate you, bro. Would have had a nice little scalp short there, though, Wave Cypher, but we're okay, man. We're okay. We're only down. We're down 50 today. Who cares? It's easy. At the end of the day, I'm responsible for my own trading. But I appreciate your apology, but you good, man. Thank you. I wouldn't say it's negative yash. I would say that, when it comes down, there's a higher probability of rate cuts. Okay, that's what everything points to. Jerome Powell cutting rates. Okay, quantitative easing. Right, the lower the inflation goes, the better it is for him to cut rates. Okay, if we're losing jobs, the higher he wants to create jobs, so he wants to cut rates. Okay, that's as basic as I can keep it for you. Little Snappa, I'm 14-year-old learning how to trade. That's Market Cypher B. We are sponsored by Market Cypher. No problem, little sniper. I think, well, you're 14, so if you do not have the money, there's like a Fu Manchu version. There's a couple other virgins. I just called you a virgin. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, man. We clicked the button. This is for adults only. But there's a bunch of versions out there. East Pump, let's go. Yeah. Close the long too early, guys. Close the long too early. But yeah, there's a bunch of virgins out there that you can use, man. You don't have to. I know if you're 14, you probably don't have the funds. I'm not trying to be rude. Not trying to be rude. Maybe you're rich. I don't know. You don't need to be rich to have Market Cipher. I mean, I wasn't rich when I first bought it. I bought Market Cipher when I couldn't afford to buy Market Cipher when I first started trading, so it was worth it, in my opinion. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Coming into market open. We got 3 minutes to market open. The money flow is definitely not the same, David Brumbelow. Come over to the Discord. We'll help you out, bro. Still no trade. Yeah, this is, I mean, the long would have worked here, guys, and continuation up here. Momentum is up, okay? Look at the money flow here, cranking, okay? At the end of the day, too, it's important to support creators as well. Like I do have a Market Cipher link. I do promote the promos. You know, go over and support someone who has the Market Cipher link. Jason Casper, Trader Geo. Right? You're gonna use it. Make sure Flop and Groper, all those people, right? Misting Crypto. Make a little commission off of it. It's not a lot. It's a couple $100, I think. But it does help the creators, okay? Anytime I'm going to buy something, I always go to a creator and I always make sure I use their affiliate link because it's respect, right? And also you're going to pay the price anyways, so might as well support people that you do enjoy. That's why, you know, I don't shill exchanges here. I just say, man, if you want to come and hang out and you want to make money together, come and chill. Some people are like advertisement boards. I ain't that guy. I'm here to trade. Market open in 1 minute. Some people make you sign up for the exchange in order to be like part of their group and close before market open. You're going to get some volatility into this in 30 seconds. The first 15 minutes is typically not tradable. It is, but it must. The first 15 minutes must be an A+ setup or must be something where you can really be cheap and manage your risk really well. That is just how, like, the first 15 minutes really sets the day off. That's why we use an orb. A lot of the time, your best option is to just let the first 15 minutes, 9:30 to 9:45, just let it bake, let the price action come in, then make the decision to trade. Okay? That's I learned that from Trades by Matt, one of my favorite streamers. He trades the NASDAQ. And he's probably the best scalper on YouTube. Probably the best. He's my favorite. I've learned a lot of my stuff from Trades by Matt. Base hits, VWAP trades. Ding, 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 ding. So gap up, slam down. Gap up, slam down for the S&P. Okay, NASDAQ rolling over. Bitcoin, no rollover. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out, smacking up like buttons, subscribing, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for being part of the gang. God bless you guys. And let's have a great trading day today. We're currently down $50, 3 trades, 1 little profit, 1 stop out, and 1 little profit. Down $50 today. Let's keep it going. Trading is waiting. Let's try to be a bit more patient here. Let's see what happens on market open. Looks like Bitcoin wants to continue upwards here. Okay, we were long, but right now it's a little bit of a doozy. If we get an SFP here, I will short it. Okay. But right now, this looks like we got bullish momentum to the upside. I would have liked to retest down into here. We didn't get it, so we'll see if it does want to continue to push here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let me know in the chat, are you long? Are you short? Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put a 3 in the chat if you are in no trade. We're here trading every single day, hopefully helping you guys navigate these charts. Hasn't been easy this morning, a little bit of chop suey. Let's just be patient here. You have that bullish trigger wave trying to push Bitcoin up right now on the 3-minute, the 12-minute, or the 15-minute starting to flip green. Okay, we got bullish momentum VWAP crossover here on the 15-minute. This looks strong right now. Continuation here. 30-minute also looking strong. Rounded bottom coming in here. Let's not get faked out this morning, though. We got a whole bunch of people in trades right now. We got longs. We got sitting on hands. We got 1.2s. We got long and short. Darren does things long and short. He's schlonging, baby. 2 short. 1, 2. All right. I would say longs are in control right now. The bulls are pushing. The bulls are pushing. Make sure you guys are paying yourselves along the way. Long. All right, let's go. Long dong silver in here. Long dong silver. Let's see what goes on. We're just waiting here. This could be quite the fake out, though. Just because we have this area in here. This, to me, is interesting. Fair value gap, okay? Fair value gap. A bit of an aggressive push. This is at 4 a.m. again, guys. 4 a.m. BS, okay? Everybody, we're going to start doing a live stream from 4 a.m. till 5. 4 till 5:30. Catch all these weird trades. Still waiting here. Failure to push above this high so far. Look at the Nasdaq's breaking out, guys. This is bullish. That's bullish. We'll see. Dixie dying. Dixie rolling over. Okay, the S&P's pushing back here as well. All of this is sort of posturing to the upside. Now, whenever you see the Nasdaq pushing up aggressively, don't think you just press buy here. This could be the sweep of the highs and the rejection. So this could be the fake out. Okay? Which can lead to a dump on Bitcoin. You don't want to just buy because the Nasdaq's going one way. There you go. There you go. Coming back down right now. The bearish divergence in here. Hidden bearish divergence on the 3-minute if this does not push higher. All right, we got a hidden bear div. No follow through, but if this pushes back and it doesn't engulf, I would still think it's continuation here. We got 40 seconds on this candle. Failure to make a higher high on this candle. No trade here. See if it pushes back 10 seconds. If it pushes back, that's bullish. It pushes back in here. Yeah, there we go. That's bullish. Nice pushback. Look at that candle, man. That's a crazy candle. That's why I don't F with the first 15 minutes, guys. This bullish looks like continuation here. Continuation to the upside. Bitcoin pushing. Ethereum pushing. Dominance is dropping. Okay, so dominance is dropping. So as Bitcoin stalls out here, we see a rotation into altcoins, okay, into Ethereum, which is good. Very good. Sol is flying. Yeah. Long stopped out. Solana. Okay, a little bit of rejection here on Bitcoin coming down. Still waiting here, guys. No trade for me. 9:37. I'm out of coffee too. My God. Considering a long here. Not yet, though. Still waiting. Nice rollover, though. Considering a long. NASDAQ looks really good. SPY's pushing. I'm going to get long here, guys. I'm long. See if we can continue up here. Another sweep of the lows. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Looking for some follow through. Pretty volatile. Nice push here. Stop loss to entry. Come on, Bitcoin. Follow through, man. Let's go. No follow through. That's pretty lame. Look at that. Almost stopped me out there. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. I like that. I like that. Let's go, baby. See if we can get back up to these highs here. Might take some more out. Come on, push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Doesn't know where it wants to go. See if we get the follow through, guys. Coming back against us again. Nas continues to push. Alts continue to push. Bitcoin doesn't want to go anywhere. What a namby-pamby, right? I'm just protecting myself from the dump, guys. That's why I'm stop loss to entry so fast right here. Yeah, I should have taken more off there. Stopped out. Quick $10 on that one. This is should have taken the 200 and ran. That's okay. That's okay. $10. Oh man, should have taken the 200 and ran, everybody. What another day. What a day, guys. That's all right. It's a good stop out here. What can I say? What am I supposed to say? That's some garbage, man. Some garbage, yo. Look, ETH is ripping. Bitcoin's just fat. It's like fat, lethargic. You're going to have to go and trade some SUI. Looks like we might roll over here. We might. 1 minute till orb, everybody. I thought we would get follow through there. My God. This has been a master class, I guess, on risk management, hasn't it? What do you guys think? The master class on how to not lose money, I guess. Oh man. I guess that was a good close. You want to see my $10? It's $8.20, guys. We having lunch today, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I should have taken that off. Right up here. I thought we were gonna continue though. So why would I take it off? I just mitigated my downside. That was basically the trade. This looks toppy now. We got a lower high in here. We got orb now. Orb is in. This is actually a very interesting orb because of where it is. So the orb is basically the value area low of that range that we have right now. We have the value area low, the bottom of the orb. Okay. And then the point of control. So the point of control and the value area low are going to make for a very interesting trading day, in my opinion. Value area low, point of control. So we'll see how it trades today. I think this could be a very good orbital day. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Looks like it's about to dump hard AF. Yeah, it does, man. It does. Get out of the way. Here comes the liquidity grab down below. Down into here. Retest of previous lows. Retest of orb right now. That's a good SFP though, guys. Not keen on shorting here. Anybody take the short up here? I don't think there was a doji engulfing here. Remember, a failed bearish break on an orb is a very bullish move, okay? So failing to break down from the orb and pushing back in is very bullish. Same in the opposite direction. Failing to push up and getting acceptance back into the orb is very bearish. Remember that as well when trading orb. Damn, I gotta stop giving away all my secrets. If we reclaim orb, I'm going to get long. This is a good sweep too. I like the sweep. This is a retest of the orb right now. Stuck in the middle with orb. Oh, it's a good sweep. That's a good sweep. Push Bitcoin. Close this candle above here. I'm long. I'm long. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Push. Got to push here. Otherwise, we got an orb retest. I'm front running this a little bit. Lots of trading today, man. Maybe a bit over trady today. Little trigger finger. Trigger happy. Push Bitcoin. Come on. Let's go, baby. Failed the orb. Let's go, baby. Stop loss to entry. TP1 hit. I ain't getting fooled twice, guys. I ain't getting fooled twice. Taking $70 off of this one. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Push it. Failed to break the orb. Who is your daddy? And what does he do? Just such a good sweep of the lows. That's why the sweep of the lows, the liquidity grab, guys, is everything. Liquidity is king. Liquidity is king. Okay? We'll see if we do continue here. Liquidity is king. You got to be able to call that. You can't just be trading the orb for a line on in the sand. You know what I mean? It's you got to understand market structure too. Like it's a nice confluence to have, but we bullish right now as well, right? What's our trend? Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Stop whining. I'm a cop, you idiot. Get down. That's all I got. That's all I got. Rotation to the top of the orb. Continuation. We'll see. We'll see. My God, what a trading day, everybody. Use a stop loss. Stop whining. Manage your risk. Let's go, baby. Push. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We've taken 4 trades today. Fucking hell. I swore. I'm going to add to the swear jar. We've taken 4 fucking trades today. What are we doing? And guess what? We're up, baby. We're up. We're up. That's all that matters. All right. Swear jar added to Bitcoin's ripping, baby. Let's go. Rotation to the orb. Next take profit's going to be up at this high over here. We'll see if we hit it. Rotation of orb. Guarantee you guys, make sure you guys are taking profits along the way. Another sniper entry. Guaranteed some profits. You guys are incredible. Thank you for being here. I mean, we have fun every single day, no matter what, don't we? All right. We'll see if we do rotate up to the highs here. Guaranteeing us some money. I just locked in $100 bucks. Let's see if we do rotate here. Great trade, everybody. Great trade. Doing it live every single day, guys. Every single day. Great job. Stop losses at entry, everybody. Great entry, great execution. Good confidence, right? You can see here, big sweep. The thing is, what is it doing right now? Why did we take that trade? Because of this. Because of all this liquidity in here. This was just building up, right? If we got longs in here as a short-term time trader, what's the job that needs to be done before we go up? We need to come and get these guys out so that we can continue to push, and leverage traders are screwed, right? That's the job. Everything else is going up. Everything else is going up. But before they send it up, it's Bitcoin, baby. They're gonna sweep you, and then they're gonna weep you, right? ETH is ripping. Bitcoin's trying to rip. We're into critical resistance right now. Okay, so it's obviously news data, right? Understanding that narrative, right? Where we're going, what needs to be done, why we take trades. It's all great once we're in the trade, but you guys see me take two break evens today and a small win, right? 2 break evens and a small win, and I was down $50. And now we're up almost $300. Need we say more, right? Good job, everybody. Thank you for being here, hanging out. Smashing up like buttons, hanging out. Nas behaves the same. All starts with liquidity sweeps. Thank you, Wave Cypher. This is an easy price action. Because we have the inflation data coming out, it creates a lot of volatility, right? So, scammy volatility. $300 US is like 500 Canadian, man. The Canadian dollar just keeps going down. Let me see here. What is our Canadian dollar doing? Oh my God. So obviously I get paid in US. So whenever we're up here, we convert our Canadian dollars into US dollars. Here's the conversion zone. Anytime we're down here, we hold our Canadian dollars. Okay? Look how pathetic this is. Okay, this is a Canadian dollar. Okay, we're like 70 cents American here. Okay, 65 to 70 cents American here. We were in parity with the American dollar. In parity from 2009 all the way to 2013. What happened? 1 to 1. 1 to 1. What happened in the last 10 years? The liberal government. I'm just saying. Justin Trudeau got into power right around here. Just saying, man. I'm just putting it out there. And you don't gotta be a brain surgeon to figure out what happened, okay? It's not we're not doing algebra here. Wild. Looking for the rotation up into our orb here. Still just chopping about here, guys. We'll see if we do want to continue. I've guaranteed 250 right now. We'll see if it does want to continue up. They're saying the cocaine was a napkin. Then why was he hiding his napkin so deliberately? Right? Why was he so keen on making sure he hid that napkin? It's just a napkin. He should have picked it up and blew his nose with it then. Who the hell puts coke in a napkin? I agree. Chopping about here. Complete guilty. Yeah, absolutely. We're going to send you over to Brewberry, our favorite trader. Okay, Brewberry will do your altcoins and all that good stuff today, guys. An amazing trader in our amazing Discord, giving you guys setups along the way all the time. Great trades today. Great work, everybody. We're long. We'll see if it does want to continue up. We're just let it ride, baby, into the sunset. Good work today. A bit of a turbulent one, but we managed to get out on top, which is always the best. Okay, so great work. God bless you guys. I'll see the rest of y'all in the Discord. I'm going to send you over to Brewberry. Much love to every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.
drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.